happy? There's your dog. There's your dog. There's your dog.
Careful,
Last time we need
Roscoe.
a little accidental headbutt you. Oh, easy, dog.
She's like looking at the camera too, which is ridiculous.
I know.
Even though she doesn't mean to. That was funny as hell. I've never seen that. That's never occurred before.
I missed the good one, but it's still pretty good.